What's up, guys? Good morning. It's Sunday. Well, actually, good afternoon. It's 1:30 in the afternoon on Sunday, uh, August the 10th. I'm headed to Murfreesboro, Tennessee, for a conference, for a work conference. I got my work truck here. And I was going to show you real quick. I carried this out. This thing was dirty. I hadn't washed it in a while. So yesterday, I carried it out to our local jail and had the trustees wash it, clean it up for me, just on the outside. They will do the inside if I ask them to. But anyway, guys, uh, they did a really good job on this truck, I have to say. It's two older gentlemen. Like I said, they're jail trustees. They let them come out and wash the trucks and wash the patrol cars and stuff. And these two older guys came out, and I'm gonna tell you guys, they did a better job than a lot of detail shops I've seen, to be honest. They got this black bed cover shined up, looking good. They shined they armor all the tires, did all the black trim and stuff down there. I mean, they did a really good job on it. Like I said, I've seen some detail shops that didn't do as good of a job as these guys did. So anyway, guys, I just stopped off this little side of the road place here at the, I guess this is like the Tennessee River here at New Johnsonville, Tennessee. All right, guys, we will catch you on the next one.